What do you get when you cross a giant fireworks wheel with a one-ton bomb and aim it at Hitler? Welcome to Future Forward, where the past meets the unbelievable. If you're new here, hit subscribe and get ready for the wildest weapons, craziest inventions, and the forgotten tech that nearly changed history. Question: was this insane weapon a real battlefield plan or a brilliant piece of wartime misdirection? 1944. Hitler's Atlantic Wall stretched more than 3,000 miles, a fortress of steel, concrete, and barbed wire, designed to repel the greatest invasion in human history. Allied planners knew storming the beaches would mean horrific casualties. Capturing ports directly? Even worse, the DDay raid had proven it a death trap. So how do you smash through a concrete wall without sending soldiers to die trying? Enter the Directorate of Miscellaneous Weapons Development. Nicknamed the Weezers and Dodgers, this was Britain's real-life mad science lab, and one of its wildest ideas? The Panjandrum, a 10-foot, rocket-powered rolling death machine designed to breach Hitler's walls at 60 mph. But what genius came up with this fire-spitting beast? And did it actually work? The brain behind the Panjandrum was no ordinary soldier. He was a novelist, aeronautical engineer, and airship designer, Neville Shute, Norway. He imagined a bomb on wheels, inspired by the Catherine Wheel firework. 2 massive wheels, dozens of cordite-powered rockets, and in the center, a steel drum packed with 1,000 kilograms of explosives. The idea? Landed on a beach from a ship. Ignite. The rockets. Smash through barbed wire. Detonate at the concrete wall. Sounds genius, right? Well, reality had other plans. In test after test, rockets misfired, wheels came loose, and the weapon veered off course. One test even saw it chase a dog across the beach, shedding live rockets in all directions. Families were picnicking while watching secret weapons explode. One historian laughs. Welcome to British secrecy. The final test in 1944 was a disaster. Panjandrum launched, lurched, spun, and nearly mowed down a crowd of officers. It exploded in pieces. Game over. The Panjandrum was never deployed. It was scrapped just 5 months before D-Day. But here's the twist: was it ever meant to succeed? Some experts suggest the whole project was a deception strategy, a public display meant to mislead German spies about the real invasion location. If it was a true secret weapon, one engineer asks, why test it publicly on a beach filled with civilians? Was the Panjandrum a failed superweapon or a brilliant bluff? What we do know, today's drone warfare echoes its concept. Unmanned, destructive, remote. Just far more advanced. So what do you think? Was Panjandrum a comic failure, a misunderstood prototype, or a masterclass in misdirection? Drop your theories in the comments. And if you love weird wartime tech, check out our next video on the Soviet glider tank or the D-Day funnies that actually worked. Like, subscribe, and share if you believe history's weirdest inventions are worth remembering.